If your garage feels like an oven in the summer or a freezer in the winter, you're not imagining it. Most garage doors are massive energy leaks with only a thin metal shell between you and extreme weather. This is BEEST Fullstop Garage Insulate, engineered to transform your garage into a comfortable, usable space all year long. At its core, a 6mm closed-cell foam that resists heat transfer. One side features a Mylar radiant barrier that reflects about 95% of radiant heat back out. The other side is a durable vinyl face that instantly upgrades the look of your door. Unlike fiberglass that sags and sheds, or thin bubble wraps that wrinkle and underperform, Garage Insulate holds form, looks clean, and delivers real thermal performance without the itch, the mess, or the eyesore. Most complaints out there? Bad adhesive. That's why we include BEEST Block Pull Force Tape, real-world tested to hold a 15-pound dumbbell. Perfectly sized for 8x8 and 8x7 doors, single or double. The single door kit includes 8 pre-cut 24x48-inch panels with 100 feet of BEEST Block Pull Force tape. The double door kit includes 16 pre-cut panels with 200 feet of tape. Step up to the gold kit and you'll also get perimeter door seals and insulating window films to block drafts and lock in the comfort. Enjoy a more stable, comfortable garage year-round, so you can actually use the space for projects and workouts while helping protect your stored tools, batteries, and gear from temperature swings. Friends, we're an American, family-owned company with US-based support. Register within 30 days for a 5-year extended warranty. Make your garage a space that you love all year long.